Hey, I'm Santtu from Dick Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how to use beard oil. Repeat after me. I don't put the beard oil on my dirty beard, just like I don't wax my dirty car. Today I chose Mr. Bear Family's Woodland because I meant Dick Johnson snake oil. It's my favorite scent. Use the right amount of beard oil. A little goes a long way. Make sure that you pick beard oil that contains natural ingredients. Watch out for the silicone-based beard oils. Massage the beard oil into your beard. Use your fingers to massage the beard oil into your beard, starting at the roots and working your way through the tips. This will help distribute the beard oil evenly and stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles. Allow the beard oil to absorb for a moment before styling the beard. Once the beard oil has absorbed into the beard, you can start styling it into desired shape. Use a beard brush to shape the beard and style it as desired. Finish off by patting the beard gently with a towel to remove any excess oil and to give it a natural and healthy look. And now it's ready and it looks f***ing sexy.